Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about recursion. Recursion is a process in which a function calls itself automatically over a finite number of times. Like create a function name and here is the function body and a function that calls itself like this and send a number which is I here and first call the function and the value is 1. If the value of I is equal to 5, then stop this function and return I. So for example, here we are going to receive the value of I is A, B, C, whatever, and you can print this ABC value into the message ABC ABC, and here you can print the message of value of I and the program, and here is the error. Now increment in I and also send the value to the function here, and now run the program and again many arguments to the return type, and here return, run the program again, error, missing return at the end of function. So return, and here is the result. Like by using loop you can do this, but in some conditions this is more or much better than loop. The recursion process is much better than loop, like divide and conquer approach. We can divide our problem into smaller problem and then by solving one by one and combine the result of the small problem, we can solve a large problem. So here delete this message, run the program again, and first of all we are going to call a function that is recursion, and even here you can do this like and run the program and int I, and the result is here. First we are going to call the function, and that is recursion, and passing one argument. Here formal parameters, we are going to receive I from the calling, and here is the return data type which is integer. Now we are going to check the condition. If the value of I is equal to 5, then return keyword performs two action. One is that stop the execution of the function, and the second functionality of the return keyword is return the value to the calling statement. And if I is equal to 5, then terminate the execution of the program or subprogram, and otherwise display the value of I. In first condition, in first call, the value of I will be 1, and here is the 1, and then increment by 1 in I, then again call the function with return keyword because the data type of this function is return. So we are going to again, by using return keyword, we are calling this function. So return keyword will call this function again, and the result is 2, then 3, 4, and after that 5 is equal to 5, which is true, and then we are going to terminate this function. But the one thing is that function terminate means that the all statements below this return will not be executed except this one. Like in this case, all the lines below this return statement will be terminated except this one. So thank you for watching this video.